Hey guys, I get asked a lot of questions about making picks at first base, the proper way to get a forehand pick, the proper way to do a backhand pick. I got a simple and easy drill that you guys can do at home. You can have your players do it inside, in small areas. You can have them work on with tennis balls in their own bedroom. We don't need a glove for this drill, so we're gonna get rid of our glove, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a ball in my throwing hand. I'm gonna get my proper footwork on the base, heels on the bag. When I stride out to make a pick, the idea is that I stride to the throw, I get low, and I wanna bury my head behind my glove. All my weight is going from my back leg to my front leg, and I'm working through the ball. You'll see a lot of guys, they try to pick up, they pick across their body, but we wanna pick in the exact direction that the ball's traveling. So again, I'm starting heels on the bag, I'm reading the throw first, I'm striding to the throw, and now as I get down low, my head's behind my glove and I'm working through it, almost like I'm raking my fingers across the grass. So it's gonna look just like this. You're gonna take a ball in your bare hand, you're gonna toss it up, stride out, and pick back through. Reset, now we can go forehand. Ball in the bare hand, toss it up, stride back through, and I missed it. So if you miss it, you wanna miss it back that way. If you miss it, you don't wanna miss it across your body or up in the air. Let's try that again. We're gonna go backhand first. Toss it up, backhand. Heels on the bag, toss it up, forehand. Your guys are gonna struggle with this at first. It's really tough to do with the bare hand. Once you get comfortable with the bare hand, it's gonna be that much easier when you get your glove on. Make a competition out of it. Have your guys line up, have your first baseman line up, walk out, see how far they can go without missing it. If they miss it, have them go back to the line and restart. A great way to make a competition out of it, practice. Have your 4 guys line up on the line and see how far out they can get without missing it. So they're gonna start with the backhand, and then they're gonna replace their feet. And they're gonna go next, forehand, then backhand, then forehand. And they work all the way out towards second base. As soon as they miss it, they have to go back to the line and restart. Hey guys, a great drill to work on throwing on the run and teaching your middle infielders to throw from different arm angles and to get comfortable making uncomfortable throws is this right here. We have 2 cones set up, and what we're gonna do, you can do it right after the throwing program, is we're gonna have our players sprint through the cone. We're gonna start with the ball in our glove because we always wanna work on getting the ball out and transferring it. We're gonna sprint through the cones, and as we pass the cone, we stride out with the left foot, and this is gonna simulate fielding it. We're gonna step with the right and transfer, and notice I'm off balance here. I'm gonna throw it off my right leg. I'm gonna tilt my body a little bit to be a little bit more athletic, step with the left, transfer off the right, and I'm gonna throw it off my right leg as I'm flying towards first base.
When it's 3D, I just need the velocity and the hop snap. When I'm straight on the baseball, I can't read the hops, and that's what guys get on the field. And most errors are made on those right as the guys stop their feet, just wait down and go. So all we're going to do is we're going to start here. We're going to throw our glove out. We're going to get set. We're going to get around the ball, and we're just going to tap like we're going to go to the ball. And you have the guys just one at a time. Oh, then you can have a coach over there. One guy goes at a time, he goes around, he fields it, comes up, throws. Next guy goes, next guy goes, next guy goes. So it's just a simple way to just kind of, so just to tap.